MC Billions. MC Billions, how far now? I get one question wey I wan ask you.
Oh, Posh, why you dey do like this now? Shey if my stock tani, why you dey always do like this? Abeg, ọmọ ológo ló ń lọ yẹn na ojo na.
I get one question wey I wan ask. What do you think about Nigerians?
Nigerians. We actually have two types of Nigerians. The ones wey be say they don go Oyinbo, wey their brain don dey think right, they no dey think like Oyinbo. And the ones wey dey this Nigeria, na them be the foolish ones. They dey very foolish gan. Na them wey be say two things go come like this, they come dey argue. This thing better pass, this thing better buy. This one, if he lead us, he no go thief too much money. If this one lead us, he no go thief too much money. This same set of ones wey dey this our country no see anything wrong for their 20 billion education budget wey be say Senate refuse to sign. But the same Senate, na them sign the 128 billion for election. They go come dey argue which one better pass, this one better pass, this one better pass.
Over.